Science doesn't have to be intuitive, it just has to be proven. Get ready for facts that sound like magic until you see the actual research data. What happens when a flower meets the absolute zero of chemistry? Watch as a delicate bloom turns into a weapon of glass. In seconds, liquid nitrogen strips away every ounce of warmth. The petals aren't just frozen, they are trapped in a crystal tomb. Listen to the sound of life shattering into 1,000 shards, -300 degrees, where molecular motion simply stops. It's not a freeze, it's a total structural execution. One touch, 1 second, and the organic becomes mineral. Notice the cellular collapse, a fragile masterpiece turned to dust. In this lab, beauty doesn't wilt, it explodes. You're not looking at a frozen flower anymore. You're looking at a ghost made of broken glass. But that's just the surface. If that felt strange, the next discovery is even more counterintuitive. Release a helium balloon in space. It does not move at all. On Earth, helium rises because air is denser. The density of helium is 0 in space. There is no air to displace. The buoyancy effect is absent. This is not buoyancy. This is stasis. Helium balloons in space are motionless. Every balloon you have seen rise was being shoved. The next time you release a balloon, it is not flying, it is being pushed by the denser air underneath. You are watching displacement, not weightlessness. Now, let's move from theoretical anomalies to something we actually caught on camera. Ants climb to their death. Infected by a fungus, they bite onto a leaf. The fungus grows inside, killing the ant. Up to 30% of a colony can be infected. Infected ants climb to around 25 centimeters high. The fungus manipulates their behavior with precision. This is not a natural instinct. This is a fungus in control. The ant is turned into a zombie to spread spores. The fungus's manipulation is so precise, it can make the ant bite onto a leaf. Every ant you have seen climb to a high location may have been infected. The next time you see an ant climbing, you are watching a fungus at work. You are not seeing an ant in control, you are seeing a zombie. Let's escalate the stakes. This next one contradicts everything we just discussed. Watch a superconductor levitate above a track. It does not touch the track, yet it moves on its own. The Meissner effect creates a diamagnetic field around it. This field induces currents that repel the track's magnetic field. The repulsion is strong enough to counteract gravity at temperatures below -196 degrees Celsius. The superconductor can be made to move with precision and speed. This is not magic. This is precise magnetic control. The absence of physical contact does not mean no force is applied. Every maglev train you have ever seen is using this principle. The next time you see one move, remember the hidden force. You are watching repulsion, not attraction, at work. The data never lies, even when it is hard to believe. Join us tomorrow for another look beyond the horizon. Hit that subscribe button to keep exploring.